Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Anu. Let's discuss about the Flipkart hiring process, and there are some updates from the Flipkart. And before getting into the video, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. So the Flipkart hiring process, there will be some routes, and let's see the about eligibility criteria and job profiles and many more. So first, the inception of the Flipkart is mentioned here. You can read here the inception of the Flipkart. And coming to the Flipkart hiring process and how to apply. So before applying this, you have to. There will be some ways of applying the Flipkart. First is a direct application. So the candidate can visit the career section of the Flipkart and can submit their resumes directly to the company. So there is a Flipkart website here. So from this website you can apply for the jobs, and after getting this interface you just click on this arrow. Then you can explore the more opportunities and the jobs from here. So you can also keep here the experience, your you can keep the experience here, and also the location you can mention. So there are 20 more locations. These are the locations where the jobs are available in the Flipkart, and the function also given. And here the Bangalore, one job is present, and next in Chandigarh one job is there, and Hyderabad, etc. So these are the location. The function also given here: technology, corporate, business, customer experience, and many more. So these are the jobs. You can also search here, and let's see one of the job here. Let's say the assistant manager. So click on this, and you can also get the about the Flipkart and the job description and open positions, the skills required for this job, and then the location of this job, education and the qualification, desirable skills, year of experience, designation, and about the role, about the team. And this all you have to go with this. And after that you have to click on here apply. Now after this you have to upload the resume and name as per the government ID, that is as per the PAN card or the Aadhaar card. Next you have to mention the mail, phone number, and the experience, the gender, next current location, date of birth, and have you previously been employed as a contract employee or as a full-time employee by Flipkart. You have to select either yes or no. And the qualification, college name, year of passing, and the current industry, and the current company name if you are working. Next, the role which you have applied for, and the fixed compensation, variable compensation, and ESOPs. And after this you have to submit here. So you can also click on here for more jobs. So there are many jobs here, and the technical product manager, next the manager category specialist, and the software development engineer, etc. And also the product manager. You can also search the job here. So this is a direct application. Next is the referrals. So in referrals you can contact the through the LinkedIn. You can search for the employees who are working at the Flipkart, and there you can have a conversation with the employees, and you can keep the request to them. This is the referrals. This is the on campus, and if your college is tie up with the Flipkart company, then the recruitment program and the hiring process will go on accordingly. And next is the off campus drive. So this is just you have to give the you can mail to the through the LinkedIn and you can mail to the employees who are working at the Flipkart, and there will be interview, selection process, and application URL, and the further procedure will go on. Next is the mailing the HR executive. So you can from the LinkedIn you can go through the employees and the HR executive who are working at the Flipkart. you can take the mail from them, and you have to submit their resume, and after that the further process will go on. Next is about the hackathons. Through hackathons also you can participate in the Flipkart. So this is the Flipkart SD interview process and the timelines. So at first you have to apply using the resume, cover letter or the referrals. After that the HR will connect you either by mail or the call, and after that you will be having some online assessments. So these three rounds will go on up to 2 to 3 weeks. Now after these, the on-site interviews will go on from 2 to 4 weeks, and after that the hiring committee will review your application, and after that you will get an offer letter. Now this total process will go on up to 4 to 8 weeks. This is the interview process for the Flipkart SDO. And next is the Flipkart eligibility criteria who can apply. So the applicant must have the bachelor degree in BTech, BE, MTech, ME, BCA, BSc, MSc and MCA. Uh, and next, during the recruitment process, the candidate or the applicant should not have any backlogs, and the candidate GPA in 10th and 12th and graduation should be at least 60% or the 6.5 CGPA. Next, the candidate must have good communication skills. So this is the eligibility criteria for the Flipkart. Next is the Flipkart hiring and interview process in brief. So here some recruitment rounds will be there. First, you have to submit your application. Um, you can visit the company's website. Next is the assessment of your application. This will go on for 30 minutes. And the next is the technical screening for the 60 minutes. And after that, if it is an on-site interview, then there will be 3 stages. In stage 1 you will be having round 1, round 2, round 3 and round 4. So first is the machine coding, pre-coding, coding and post-coding. Next is the stage 2. There you will be having problem solving and the data structures for 60 minutes. The stage 3 is the design. Next is the hiring committee review, and after that you will get the offer letter. So this is just, you have to submit your application in detail. They mentioned here, you can read this: online assessment, on-site Flipkart interview process, hiring committee review and offer. So how to crack Flipkart interview skills that are required. So skills are required. They gave graph algorithms, trees, strings, recursions, BST, arrays, linked list, stack. So on these topics basis, these skills are required, and they will be asking some DSC and the coding questions will be on these topics. So the next is the salary of SDE at Flipkart, and here also they mentioned some important Flipkart interview questions. So you can click here. So you will get this interface, and here the some process is there. You have to go there and you will be getting the interview questions. So data structures and the algorithms, developable, scalable and high available systems, and some questions are also given here. So you can go with this in detail. So these are the salaries in detail they gave. SG1 as a fresher, and details are also given here. This is from 0 to 2 years, and SG2. Next is SG3 and SG4. So finally, we are having tips on how to crack a Flipkart interview. So there they gave some important tips. You have to go through all these in detail, and they also gave some FAQs regarding the Flipkart hiring process. So read all these the FAQs. So before applying this, you can also log in into the Unstop, and I will provide this link in the description. You can go with that link and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.